How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Instagram application, and once you're inside here, make sure you are logged into your account and profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside here, select any post where you want to actually add the collaboration option. So now click on this three dot icon right, and once you're inside here, select edit button, and you can see there's the option directly shown at the top, that is add collaborators. Just tap on this and you can simply invite collaborators from over here. So if you don't find this option, so in that case what you need to do is just come back to your profile and click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and simply scroll down until you see the option called help. So just tap on this help button and simply click on report a problem, and just select report problem without checking for now, and simply if you want to include or any screenshots, you can also go with include. So I'll just head over to without any include. So just briefly explain here your issue to Instagram team. So once you describe your issue, you can also attach your some of the screenshots as a proof and simply send it to the Instagram team, and once they view it, this will be giving you instructions on how to fix it, or this will be fixing your issue after 24 to 48 hours. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.